Hello everyone, and welcome to the Crash Test channel. The MAXUS eTERRON 9 demonstrated strong safety performance in its Euro NCAP crash tests. Its passenger compartment remained stable in the frontal offset test, providing excellent protection for knees and femurs. MAXUS also proved that this level of protection applies to various occupant sizes and seating positions. The full-width rigid barrier test yielded top scores, with both driver and rear passenger safety rated highly across all critical areas. Side barrier and pole impact tests followed suit, with maximum points awarded for comprehensive protection. Control of body excursion during far-side collisions was adequate, and occupant-to-occupant injury mitigation measures were in place. The eTERRON 9's airbag system performed exceptionally, delivering strong protection for both driver and passenger. Whiplash protection was also rated highly for front and rear seats. Additional safety features include an advanced e-call system and secondary impact prevention. MAXUS demonstrated that the car's doors remain operable in submersion scenarios, enhancing its safety credentials. Which crash test would you like us to review next? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep up with the future of driving. Until next time, drive safe and dream big.